My name is Chris the Billionaire. Chris, I blew it. Chris, I'm blowing it again. Big money stacks, wrinkled paper, aka Mr. Again and Again, because I make this money again and again. Putit prototochos que verton sukarte. Ina di pang pang ala di pung ina di twing.
Ina di pumba.
Gunana.
Branga manyinyo.
Skepe ma victoire.
Yeah.
No, hanyuku lisiyo, it's night. Robala me bra. Skalelek sa nyuku sabuni.
Yeah.
Close your eyes, it's night. Relax. So but papa but no wheel. No, it's night. Kidlile. Nininyana fella itla mota I said 10 million. Say Chavisa Rona. No, you can't do that.
You must sit down. Originally they look alike, but they're not the same.
Say authenticity appreciate
Yeah. Says it
Arsana mautino.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eh bafetu marina ke understand why le hlula go etsa nyoko kore le hlula ke motho riksang mai. PDI.
Yeah.
Previously disadvantaged individual
Yeah.
who doesn't realize or they are now advantaged.
Revenge.
Wasenya. There's no permanent enemy, no permanent friend. That's just saying the stomach does not lie. When it's hungry, your enemy becomes your friend.
Yeah.
Baba, luksa hiso.
Yeah.
Adan alles almoivious. So when you meet people who undermine you, you give them exactly that. Sure. How get on Tolanto our because every man must be a man in his castle.
Inake ni local. Nikhona kanjani ukui-operate le double structure kahle kahle? What is it about Jozi?
So this thing must be regulated. Majita akawatile baba mbachele.
Lunerekiswa.
Baba mbachele. Ibayiswa kapha cam. Not just li made. Unal the slay king.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
Make sure that we fight poverty. The reason why Nelinyanya because Nelsnayon. So when we fight poverty, you're going to have it, South Africa. And you won't need to worry about Hunyanyanna.
You are two characters in one.
Sure.
So you are double dipping. You play dumb at the same time you are super intelligent.
Success is just commitment to what you want.
Yeah.
That's it. Baba Marhe to set the record straight. You can yoga like him. I wanna know one next.
Yeah.
Now I'm say 2 marunal camera say 15. It's a langa wena. Who killa bo mangara? Maybe you wanna know tola who killa mangara ntlo in a bedroom say 10. Bana by 2 or 1 or 1.